By the way, this is Mehedi Hasan. I'm an English content creator in Bangladesh. I love to make English videos because I have to teach spoken English. If I don't speak in English, how will my students learn how to speak English? So that's why I'm making this video in this public place. Today I have come here at Ramna Park, which is situated in the heart of Dhaka city. Look at this. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Mehedi's English Care. I will speak English loudly because I want to avoid my shyness, inertia and fear. If I can avoid my shyness, inertia and fear, then I will be a public English speaker. So right now I have taken a challenge that I will speak English in this crowded Ramna Park today. So how am I feeling? People are just looking at me and I am smiling. Different types of people have come here today, right? Friends are passing their quality time, couples, family, and I have got fancy for the garden, flowers garden. I don't know exactly the name of those flowers, but looks beautiful, right? Isn't it mesmerizing, my dear friends? So how is the weather? Today's weather is top notch. And I feel shy because in front of me, there are some girls and boys behind me, next to me, on my left side, on my right side. Everyone is just literally looking at me and I am feeling shy and trying to avoid my shyness. If you'd like to be a public English speaker, you have to come here at Ramna Park on Friday because on Friday, Ramna Park is full of crowded. No more today. That's all for the time being. Keep me in your prayers. I also pray for you for remaining better all the time. And if you start speaking English, inshallah, you'll be a public English speaker. Thank you very much for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum.